What's up, Monarch? My name is Brian Hayes. I'm going to be your head of militia this year. I want to give a big thanks to Owen Hallgren for passing me down this position. And let's just have a great year.
What's up, Mohai? I'm Nick Kreider. I'm this year's barrel boy. Nolan Chavez passed it down to me, and I'm ready to get rowdy. Let's go, Mohai!
Whoa, who is that?
Yo, what's up, Mohai? My name's AJ Yost. I'm the beekeeper this year, passed down from Taz Miley, and hey, let's go, Yotes!
Hey!
My name is Braden Weimer. I'm the hard hat, and I currently got it from Ben Reekin.
Oh, hey there!
I'm Shalene Isaacson.
And I'm Ellie Kowalski.
And we're the 2-2 girls this year.
We wanted to thank Brooke Haglin and Sam Keenan for handing them down to us.
We're super excited to represent Monarch.
Let's go, Yotes!
What's good, Monarch? My name's Jack Ford. I'm the cowboy hat this year, passed down from Nate Bricker.
Oh, what's good, Monarch? I'm Thomas Byrne, and I'm one of the Grill Club presidents this year. With COVID circumstances, unfortunately, I don't think we'll be doing much grilling, but I hope we're in your hearts, guys. Have a good year.